In this video, we'll be showing you how you can restrict access to your website. There are two ways that you can do this. First, make sure you are logged in as an administrator. From your main navigation, select Admin, Settings, and then the Basic Details tab. Checking the Register to View checkbox will require your customers to be registered in order to access your website. If they try to access any pages, they will automatically be redirected to the login form. Checking the Customers Require Approval checkbox will ensure your customers must be registered and approved before they can access your website. They will still be able to access all pages pre-login. An email will be sent to the main email address you have registered for your organisation when somebody registers. You can find a further video on how to approve customers in the description below. Make sure you click Update at the bottom of the page if you make any changes. And that's it, you've now successfully restricted access to your website. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.